Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share snaps on other social media platforms. So it's really simple and easy. So if you don't know how to share your snaps on other social media platforms, I will show you how to do this. For this, first of all, just open the Snapchat application in your mobile. And when you are here, you just have to take a snap, like you can record a video or you can take a simple photo. To send the snap, take the photo. So I just took the photo, and now to share this snap to other social media platforms, just tap on this send to button and you can see your all snap user friends. Now you want to share this to other platform, you can see this share icon in the bottom right corner. Just tap on it and you will find these options. As you can see, there is copy link, WhatsApp, Instagram, messages, Twitter and Messenger and Facebook and many others. Let's say I want to share this on Instagram, so I will just tap on this Instagram, tap on this send to button and you can see these options: chats, feeds, reels and stories. So let's say I'm going for this chats, I want to share this in chat and this is the person I want to share my snap. Just tap on this send and tap on this done, and now as you can see, my snap has been sent to this person on Snapchat application. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can share snaps on other social media platforms. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.